Hello and welcome to this training video from Webcraft. This is a basic introduction to WordPress. Now what you're looking at here is a brand new installation of WordPress. Nothing has been done to it, it's just been installed on the server. The version that you're looking at is WordPress 3.04. At the top here we've got site heading. It's the site title which you give on installation. Webcraft's WordPress demo site. This can be changed. Anything you see here can be changed in the dashboard, the administration area, which we will be looking at in a couple of minutes. We've also got a little strap line here, just another WordPress site, which again we can change. Underneath here we've got a banner, nice picture. You can upload your own. And underneath that we've got a horizontal menu with just two items on it at the moment, home and about. Now underneath that we've got this little bit of text here, hello world, and it says welcome to WordPress, this is your first post. So this is a post. You're probably familiar with the idea of a post from blogs, and it is important that you understand the difference between posts in WordPress and pages. We'll go into that in more detail later, but let's just continue our look round this very basic site. That's the home page, link to from there. Let's see what happens when we click about. Okay, this is an example of a WordPress page, and of course you can also edit the pages of your site yourself. This is the only page on this site at the moment. While we're here, let's just look down. We've got leave a reply. Comments are a feature of WordPress. You don't have to use them. You don't have to use them for every post or on every page. It's up to you. Okay, on the right hand side we have got a search facility. You just type in the word you're looking for and click, and it will search your entire site. And then we've got a vertical menu with various items, recent posts. So if we click on the hello world post, you know where we'll go. We'll go back to that first post, only post at the moment, on the home page. We have some recent comments, we have archives, because one way that WordPress can be organized is to catalog your posts in date order. You can also make up other categories, so there's a list of categories there as well. You'll become more familiar with this in later tutorials. And underneath here we have an admin menu. I see that we're actually logged in at the moment, so I'm just going to log out. Okay, and when you're logged out, this is what you'll see, a login menu. The login link may be somewhere else on your site if we've designed a custom template for you. Anyway, time to have a quick look at the back end, at where you have control over your site. Click the login link, and as you can see it's remembered my password, but if this is your first time you need to put in your username and then type in your password and click remember me and log in. And we're now in the control panel for the site, which in WordPress is known as the dashboard. As you can see, it's got all sorts of features. It looks very, very intimidating at first, so take your time. Okay, don't rush to get started. If you want to go back to the site itself, you see the site title here. I can click that and that takes us back. Now the only difference when you're logged in is obviously that this entry is log out rather than log in, and you have edit buttons so that you can go straight to editing a post or a page. Let's just go back to the dashboard via that site admin link, and we're going to again have a very quick look at the dashboard. We're not actually going to do any editing at this stage. I just want you to familiarize yourself with the facilities, the sections. Okay, we've got posts, and this allows us to edit posts, it allows us to trash them, it allows us to view them. Trash just means put in the bin, get rid of. Okay, or we can add new posts from here, or from here we can organize categories. We have a media menu here that allows us to add pictures, videos and other media. Down here we have pages. Now pages is very similar to the post section. Well, we can add new pages, and we can also edit, view or trash existing pages. Okay, I'm going to leave the comments menu for now. Let's have a look at the appearance menu, and as you see here, it shows the current theme. It's possible to change the whole look of the site very quickly with one click if you've got other themes installed. There's only one theme here at the moment. We've got widgets. I'm going to ignore that for now. Let's just look at menus. You can create menus here. You can change the background. You can put an image up. You can change the header picture here for your own. Okay. Plugins are little programs that enhance or change the functionality of WordPress. We'll talk about them later. Users, now here you can sign up other people who have various permissions. If you want to have someone else to edit your site, you can set them up in that. Tools, we'll leave that for now. Let's just look at settings. Okay, there's the site title, Webcraft's WordPress demo site. We can change that here. Here's your little tagline, just another WordPress site. Let's change that. We'll change that to wonderful, wonderful WordPress. Okay. We can change the email address that's used for admin purposes. We can allow people to register for membership, various other things, but mostly you might want to change your tagline or your site title. Let's save those changes. Now if we click up here, go back, and you can see that our tagline now says wonderful, wonderful WordPress. So that's your first change made to the site. There are other items in the settings menu. This is all to do with writing posts, okay, how your media are organized, lots of other things that you can control in the settings menu, but we're going to leave them for now. What's important is that you're familiar initially with the difference between posts and pages, and what we're going to look at in our next tutorial is adding a post and adding a page. Okay, that concludes the first tutorial in WordPress. We hope it's been useful for you.